Today I have a Yamaha CDC645. This is a 5-disc carousel type CD changer. Client owns it, says it won't open, won't close, but it plays. But just can't get any dissonance. So this one's probably going to be a pretty easy one. It's probably going to be a belt. Ah, it doesn't open. This one sounds like it's going to be a simple problem. Could be a belt on this one. I've actually had two of these players. I have a 745 as well, which we'll be looking at in a separate video. I've had a few things come in over the last couple days, so let's get working on this one. Okay, the belt that's turning the tray is fine. It appears to be the belt that ejects the mechanism is worn. That's this one down here. Once you've got the mechanism open, this one here is relatively easy to change. It's not trapped in any way, so you actually can just slip the belt off and around the pulley. It's just, you have to lift it off here on one end. Just grab something to flip it up with, like a screwdriver. And it should just lift off the back side of the pulley. So they're actually quite easy to take these ones out. I'm going to go and look and see whether I've got another one. As you can see, this one here is in pretty tough shape. One thing that's nice on these units is it's a direct gear drive to raise and lower the laser assembly, unlike some which use a separate belt drive. This one's a direct drive, so belts aren't going to be an issue for this portion of the mechanism. If you guys wondered what all that racket was in some of my other videos, you'll probably hear it in this one too. There is the source of that high-pitched whistling you hear. I have a resident eagle in a tree in the next door neighbor's yard. Better his yard than mine, because you know what comes out of the back end of those things, right? A bloody mess all over your car. Okay, I've got another one here that's about the same size as the original one. Let's put this one in and see what happens. As you can see, this is where I've got to get the belt, and I apologize I won't be able to show you on camera because the camera's kind of in the way, but what I have to do is I have to slip the belt over the back of the pulley there and then around the motor. And if this one here is going to be tight enough, it's going to open and close properly. If not, I'm going to have to try and find yet another one. But we'll try this one. This one here measured about the same size as the other one, but it wasn't as elastic. This other one, the old one, was quite sloppy. So this one's a little tighter. So it should hopefully, you don't want it to be too tight, but it should be enough hopefully to open and close this thing. Otherwise I'm going to have to go back and try and find another little smaller one. Okay, new belt is on, let's try it. So there we go, new belt. Now this is the old one here, and you can see this one has become quite often you can boil a belt in hot water and it will shrink and be usable. When they get to this state where they've become soft and they stretch but they don't snap back like this, then they typically, see how slow that's, if I stretch it out, I'll release it, see how slow it's, the elasticity is on that. It's slow at regaining its original size. These ones here do not do well for the hot water boiling treatment. Ones that do well are just ones that are slipping, where they've just become slightly loose and they're slipping on the pulley. They'll generally restore. But if a belt has gotten to this point like this, where it's really lost its elasticity, boiling it is not going to solve the problem. It needs to be replaced. So new belt in this one. Let's put some CDs in this and make sure this one works, and then I can send this one on its way. I had to go through both my piles of belts here because, I ordered a couple different batches of belts from eBay there last year. They took forever to get here too. But they have all kinds of oddball sizes in them. But so far I've done pretty good. I've been able to fix a few things with them. I'm going to find my royalty-free CD here. Yeah, this one should do the job. Disc 1. There we go, fixed. Easy belt replacement on these Yamahas. That's it. Thanks for watching. Let's catch you again on the next one real soon. Bye for now.